Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Eccolo. It's Eccolo. I'll show you guys. Eccolo World Traveler Journal. So before I start talking about this journal, I just want to show you guys what it looks like. And also too, I just wanted to say that this brand has a lot of world traveler journals. So if you're going to search for this in particular journal, it might be a little hard to find. You might have to go through a couple pages on Amazon to find it, or just find it might be a little hard to find because this brand literally has so many journals. Like, I literally, when I was getting this journal, I think I was like page 50, or it was like 5 and it was like 50 items loaded. So if this is the in particular journal you're looking for, it might be a little harder to find. But one thing I can say about this brand is they have so many nice world traveler journals, and that's what they like specify in, or that's what they like really like, that's their thing, like these little travel journals. Although I don't use this journal for like travel, I love how the outside look, and I was just like, this will make an amazing journal. So yeah, so getting started on this journal, the outside is kind of like this leather feel, and it's like this cream blue. I love the way this feels. And then the inside is like polka dotted. And also guys, a quick disclaimer too before I start flipping through this. This is my personal journal, and I am very like secluded when it comes to my writing. I don't even share it with like my close family or friends. So I'm really sorry if it looks like I'm trying to hide something about this product. I promise you I'm not. It's just that my personal writing is in here, so I really just choose to skip that. So I will be skipping the pages that I wrote on, but I will show you guys the other pages. But when I first opened it up, it is going to be a Bible scripture on the left hand side, and I don't mind that. And I'm not trying to like force religion on anybody. It's just my personal journal. I'm just trying to show you guys the product. So when you open it up, it is like this little polka dotted page. And I remember I actually got this for in high school graduation present, and I'm in college currently. And I remember my mom was like, why'd you write on the polka dotted page? And I was like, I don't know, because I think it's unique. So I still ended up writing on there. So I love this journal because it's so versatile. Like, you can write whatever you want on these pages. It's your journal, so I say make it how you want it. The next page is just a who this belongs to page. I'm not going to flip to it because, like I said, it is my writing, and I'm choosing not to like show that yet, or show that at all. But these are how the pages look. So at each different page, it has a quote about writing. So it says, this one says, I am not the same having seen the moon shine on the other side of the world. And so it's just like very inspirational quotes to like make you want to travel. Like, you can never cross the ocean unless you have the courage to lose sight of the shore. So like, such like motivational and like inspirational like quotes. Like, it really, like, if you are using this as a travel journal, I suggest getting Eccolo, one of the Eccolo World Travel Journals, because they do put little quotes like this, and like it just motivates you more to travel. Something else cool that I can say about this journal is the line spacing on it. It's honestly so nice, and I love like the little bookmark part. Oftentimes when I am writing, it's annoying to keep flipping through where I last ended. It's very annoying to me that I literally have to like try to find like, okay, where's the last time I written? This little bookmark part is a lifesaver, and usually a lot of journals lack that, which I'm really sad about because I love writing and I own like a million journals. But this is just something that I feel like is like, I can really like use, and it's so efficient for me, especially when it comes to writing. I write every day. I write every morning, I write at the end of every night, and during the day, if I'm feeling it, I write. So writing is just something that's always been there for me, and this journal makes it more efficient for me. Something that else that is cool is on the corners it has like different little imprints. So this one has a steering wheel, and I don't know if you guys have ever heard this quote, but it's like captain of your fate, or that I am the captain of my fate. And so like I love that because basically this journal is geared towards like pushing you to see stuff that you've never seen before. So like you're the captain of your fate, and I love these little captain wheels in here. It has like little air balloons, like go travel in an air balloon, and it's like life is either a great adventure or nothing. Like such inspirational things, and it's just, yeah, like it's amazing. And then like I said at the end, guys, this is the last page before the actual last page. So, and then it just kind of has these polka dots on the back, and then it just has the brand. And then the back of the journal is just like the blue part, which I love. And it's just so simple, and I'm a very simplistic person. This journal is just something that it looks so cool and stylish. I get a lot of compliments on it in class. Like my friends are like, where'd you get your notebook? I was like, it's not my notebook, it's my journal, but thank you. It's very inexpensive, and I take it with me everywhere. It literally fits just like a book. So if you guys are into writing the way I am into writing, I do suggest this Eccolo travel world traveling journal. And yeah, I think it's a nice product.